The 2024 National Collegiate Athletic Association NCAA Indoor Track and Field season is in full effect, and our Caribbean athletes have been competing almost every week. The past weekend, each region had its conference championship, which saw records falling left, right, and center. From breathtaking sprints to gravity-defying jumps, witness the sheer brilliance of athletes like never before. Fans may argue that the best performance of the weekend came at the Southeastern Conference Championship, where Canadian Christopher Morales-Williams ran an astonishing world record of 44.49 seconds to win the 400 meters at that meet. Join us as we count down the top 10 Caribbean highlights from the 2024 NCAA Conference Championship, setting the stage for an unmissable showdown at the upcoming NCAA Indoor Championship. Prepare to be amazed. Number 10. Jamaican Aila Smith, representing the University of Texas, is building a resume as an all-round athlete this season. So far this season, she has been able to run the 60 meters, 200 meters, and 4x400 meters, along with her pet events of the long jump and triple jump. At the Big 12 Championship, she leaped 6.74 meters to win the long jump, while her teammate and countrywoman Aila Foster leaped 6.34 meters for third. This performance was only the first of 3-point scoring opportunities for Aila Smith, as she managed to run 7.29 seconds to place 5th in the 60 meters and leaped 13.37 meters to place 4th in the triple jump. With Aila Smith's performances, she could be running and jumping at this year's Boston NCAA Indoor Championship. Number 9. Clemson University Tiger Onika Wilson of Jamaica has been on the rise since leaving Hydel High School in 2022. In her first year of college, she was able to win the 60-meter hurdles at the 2023 Atlantic Coast Conference ACC Championship, but her time was not good enough to advance her to the NCAA Championship. However, the Jamaican has returned with a new attitude, running quite fast, and is eyeing that magical sub-8.00 seconds barrier in the 60-meter hurdles. At this year's ACC Championship, Wilson was able to get one of her better starts to cross the line in 8.04 seconds to defend her title, just outside her personal best of 8.03 seconds done earlier this season.
Here it's all Clemson and Wilson in the hurdles.
And a better start and a couple other lanes, but man, she came on, and then her teammate in lane 3, Antoinette Vandermeer, just really closing well over the last few hurdles.
This is a performance that should carry her into this year's NCAA Indoor Championship. Number 8. Central American and Caribbean Games 400-meter silver medalist Michael Joseph of St. Lucia, representing the University of Kansas, was able to run a national record of 45.46 seconds to win the 400 meters at the Big 12 Championship. His Caribbean counterpart, Jamaican Shamar Utah of Texas Tech, was second with 45.68 seconds. The aim for Michael Joseph should be to run faster at the NCAA Championship and earn one of those top 3 spots. If you're loving these incredible performances by Caribbean athletes, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more thrilling updates and highlights. Your support means the world to us. Thank you. Number 7. Jamaica's Therese Rhoden, representing Clemson University, has been extremely consistent in the 800 meters. At this year's ACC Championship, he was able to run a season's best of 1 minute 47.08 seconds to win his third 800-meter title. He is on his way to winning his first NCAA 800-meter title. Number 6. The University of Texas Longhorn Dejanay Oakley of Jamaica is slowly getting into her own, and so far she has been making a name for herself at a place that has often been full of Caribbean flavor. At this year's Big 12 Championships, she was able to run a personal best of 51.75 seconds to capture the 400-meter title and returned an hour later to run 22.86 seconds to place second in the 200 meters. She is still young, but track and field fans should not put a limit on this talent phenom. Number 5. The Bahamian men have always had a rich track and field history, and Wanya McCoy is currently adding to that legacy. At this year's Southeastern Conference Championship, the University of Florida athlete was able to run a personal best and the second fastest indoor 200-meter time for a Bahamian with 20.29 seconds. McCoy has been quite dominant at both the 60 meters and 200 meters. He could potentially score big in both events at this year's NCAA Indoor Championship. Number 4. World Championship long jump silver medalist Wayne Pinck of Jamaica has been extremely consistent this season at the University of Arkansas. At the Southeastern Conference Championship, he was able to leap 8.28 meters to mount the top of the podium. After his performance, he mentioned that he wanted to go further, but he did not get enough chances to train because of the flu. However, his performance is likely to improve when the NCAA Indoor Championship comes around. Number 3. Bahamian Terrence Jones went into the Big 12 Championship as a slight favorite to win both the 60 meters and 200 meters. But an unfortunate situation greeted him in the 60 meters, where he false started and was disqualified. He was back with vengeance an hour later to win the 200 meters in a new national record of 20.21 seconds.
The men's 200, it was 20:40 and he crushes it.
Yeah, he got out of the blocks well. You can see he already gapped there from lane 5. He moved it well, kept moving, attacks this turn nicely. When he comes out of it on this back end, it was game over. Man, he's staying there. He's up tall, strides looking well, pumping those arms.
His Caribbean counterpart, Baylor's Demar Murray of Jamaica, ran 20.60 seconds to place 3rd. Terrence Jones is known for pulling off upsets, and it would not be surprising if he wins both the 60 meters and 200 meters at the NCAA Indoor Championship. Number 2. 2023 Budapest World Championship 5th place finisher Lamar Diston was able to create history in the high jump at the Southeastern Conference Championship. The Texas A&M Aggie was able to leap a national record and collegiate record of 2.00 meters to win the event. This was quite a historical moment because this was the first time that a woman in the NCAA cleared 2.00 meters. This performance should be a confidence booster for her as she aims to defend her NCAA Indoor Championship title. Number 1. The world has been on the lookout for Jamaica's Brianna Liston since she landed at Louisiana State University in 2022. So far this season, the 2022 World Under 20 200 meter champion has run a 60 meter personal best of 7.07 seconds. At the Southeastern Conference Championship, Liston was able to put up a solid fight to capture her first 60 meter title in 7.08 seconds, equaling the meet record done by her countrywoman Ramona Burchell in 2015. She now heads into the NCAA Indoor Championship as the favorite as she seeks to add more hardware to her growing resume. Here are some honorable mentions. Number 1. Jamaica's Nikisha Price of the University of Arkansas ran 22.62 seconds in the 200 meters and 50.83 seconds in the 400 meters at the Southeastern Conference Championship. Number 2. Romaine Beckford of Jamaica representing the University of Arkansas leaped 2.25 meters to win the high jump at the Southeastern Conference Championship. Number 3. St. Vincent's Handel Roban ran 1 minute 48.48 seconds to place 3rd in the 800 meters for Penn State University at the Big Ten Championship. Number 4. Jamaican Jaheim Hales ran 7.65 seconds to win the 60 meters hurdles for Syracuse University at the ACC Championship. Number 5. Jamaican Luke Brown of the University of Kentucky leaped 16.59 meters to win the triple jump at the Southeastern Conference Championship. As you can see, Caribbean athletes were able to deliver some fantastic performances. We want to hear from you. Which Caribbean athlete's performance impressed you the most at the NCAA Conference Championship? Did any particular record-breaking moment leave you in awe? Share your thoughts in the comment section below, and don't forget to engage with other viewers' comments too. Let's spark some exciting discussions together. Please share this video with your friends, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest updates and highlights. Your support fuels our passion for bringing you the best content. Thank you for being part of our community. This is Caribbean Focus Sports by Jairi.